Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get order details in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your WooCommerce orders. So from here in the WooCommerce plugin, we will find the orders. And by clicking here, we will have our orders that will be added here. And simply for this example, I'm just going to create a new order and I'm just going to have the first status and I'm going to add some item and products. I'm just going to have these power shirts, etc. and these suits, add, and basically we can add any customer. You can have a test or any other customer. So I'm just going to use this one and it will have this address line, city or whatever, postcode, and you can select any country or whatever. And I'm just going to create. So I'm just going to click no. And from here, we can go to our orders and basically to start seeing the details of our uh, order, you will need simply to click on this preview. By clicking on preview, we will find the button details or the details of our orders. So from here, you can start changing directly the status of your order. I'm just going to click on processing and basically we are going to have our order that will be in the processing mode. And as you can see, now we are having our order that is processing and we can start again to seeing our order details. And after that, you can start printing your invoice by adding some invoice plugins or the PDF invoice extensions of WooCommerce that would allow us to print the invoice and generate an invoice. So as you can see, it will create an invoice as follow, and also it can create a packing slip for the shipping address and other stuff. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see